Hello everyone. In relationship bank account, each parent has to deposit 3 C's. First one is connection. So to spend a quality time with your kids and make a strong bond and connection with your kids. Second one is compliment. Appreciate the each and every inputs of your child rather than the end results. Third one is communication. For this, undivided attention and listening is important and clear communication. And another 2 C's are there, which is weaken your bond. First one is comparison. Compare your child's own self growth, not with others. Second one is criticism. Always negative criticism weaken the bonding. So for further assistance, contact me.